Yeah, g'day and welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a book review on 100 Colourful Ripple Stitches to Crochet, written by Leonie Morgan. This is a soft cover with 128 pages using US terms. And as it says on the cover, 50 stitches and 50 colourways for blankets and throws. As we open the book, we have a stitch and technique guide, which is helpful to those just starting out or to those who may need a refresher. The techniques range from the magic circle, single crochet, up through to post and spike stitches, working through the horizontal bar, and even surface crochet and embellishments. This book is suitable for beginners right through to advanced crocheters. And we start with the simple granny ripple. Or you may like the hill and valley style. Like so. And there's also a range of pretty star motifs. I really like this one. I actually really like the colourway too. And there's also a variety of textured stitches, as I mentioned earlier. Like this pretty one here. All the patterns are both written and in chart form. For advanced crocheters, you can even add wheels, ruffles, or even hearts to your project. I've found the colours are bright and inspiring, and the photography is beautiful. There's also 6 patterns with detailed instructions inside. So I bought this book online at Got Yarn Australia. At the time, they were having a book sale. So I think it was around the $24 mark Australian. Free shipping in Australia for orders over $120, which I can tell you is really easy to do. And it arrived in about 2 days. They've also got notions and all your favourite yarn brands like Paintbox, LRA, Fiddlesticks, McLenna, Lola, Shapies. That's my thoughts on this book. In the comments section, tell us which book you would like to see a review on, and I'll see what I can do. Happy hooking and stay safe. Till next time, hooroo!